This is why it is so easy to forget all the crap that goes on everywhere else in the world. It sounds quite ignorant and naive, but the truth is, if you can't enjoy what's in front of you, then how are you supposed to help what's a million miles away? It honestly doesn't make sense, really. But that's just my opinion. Bulgaria. 9 o'clock in the morning. It's a bit chilly, but it's beautiful, really. This is what I call home. A life completely unknown to me, but you only grow if you jump. And you should just jump somewhere fun. Something completely different. They don't even speak the same language, but they can make you feel crazy human things. And even if you're just a tiddly bit of a good person, it's hard not to get attached to animals. I'm rushing down, not really quietly, but I should be, because just 2 days ago, our first ever goslings hatched. Which for me is pretty cool. It's not something you see every day. And I spent most of my life in the desert, so to see them, to see all of this is so different. 20 years of sun and sand, and then green. It's like having an energy drink full of life. Gives you a different perspective on things. And you just slow down and watch. And you don't have to get close. You just watch. A big boy. And this crazy creature. He always comes. I'm gonna move because I don't trust him. And the father is so protective. It's amazing to watch. He's the one that teaches them how to like walk together and where to eat. Sorry about that. The turkey was on my ass. But yeah, the dad is the one that teaches them. It's quite impressive, really. And he's super fearless, because like he's taking on the pig now. And that's nature, really. And look, if I zoom out, the turkey is right in front of it. He's so weird looking. But yeah, there's no noise. Listen, the world is peaceful. What do you want? Huh? This guy's fearless. Hello, Jack. Hello, Jack. Hello. 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 Say hello to the world. Hello, world. My name is Jack. I oink, fuck, sleep, and eat. But I'm good at all of them. Aren't you? He's like a pig that's like a dog. A bit like real men sometimes. But that's our secret, right? It's a beautiful day. And look, now they're going home. They're going waddling. Huddle them all together.
Time for sleep.
Bedtime. Into the darkness. You crazy, crazy creature. Right. Well, that's my world. I hope you all have a fabulous day.